Hi, this is attorney Gabriel Levin. I'm a personal injury lawyer here in Center City, Philadelphia, and the owner and founder of the Levin Firm. Been asked to discuss why it's so important to collect evidence immediately after an accident has occurred. The most important thing that you have to remember after an accident is that evidence expires. And that's not just physical evidence, it's also mental impressions. So witnesses, for instance, their memories will fade as time passes. So it's important to contact them immediately after an accident so that an investigator can write down their recollections and record them. It's also true with physical evidence. So at the scene of an accident, there's going to be debris, there's going to be evidence of the accident. It's important that we get an investigator out there to take pictures and record all of the evidence left over at the scene prior to anyone cleaning it up or removing the debris. A great example of evidence that you're going to lose if you don't hire a personal injury lawyer immediately after an accident is video recordings. Oftentimes, convenience stores or local outlets will have cameras that are pointing at the street. Those cameras overwrite every 7 days, sometimes every 30 days. But if you wait months before you hire a lawyer, that evidence is going to be gone. A great example, we just had a case recently where a tow truck driver in the streets of South Philadelphia in a residential neighborhood fell asleep at the wheel and his foot went down on the accelerator and he was going 80 miles an hour down a residential street that has a 25-mile-an-hour speed limit, and he crashed into everything, and it was a horrific pile-up accident. We were hired immediately. We sent an investigator out and we went door to door knocking to see if the homeowners had doorbell cameras. And we were able to collect 8 or 10 different doorbell camera videos and splice them together. So we were actually able to show this tow truck flying down the street until it finally made contact. But initially, the defendant in that case claimed he had done nothing wrong, right? And then we got these videos together and the case was over. So that was a great example of why jumping on an investigation immediately and hiring a lawyer really made the difference in a case. If you've been injured and would like to hire me, I'd love to represent you. My phone number is 215-825-5183, or you can reach me on my website, levininjuryfirm.com.